Spike Jones board, part 2. Pat, I've sketched out a concept of how I think this board could work. This chart represents a piece of styrofoam that will mount different things like a power strip and possibly some boards that generate sound. Clearly, here are examples of the ones we looked at just a little while ago. And these little round circles are supposed to represent the buttons that'll push to make the sounds. We'll probably arrange these differently in the final analysis, and some will come and some will go. But the idea is to have a board marked off upon which we'll place these electronic circuit boards taken from the toys we just looked at. And not all of them are toys, I guess, because we had the, do you see it on here? We had the, I think that's supposed to represent the Brookstone thing down there, where there was a clock and a few different buttons for various sounds. Does that make sense to you?
Yes.
Okay, well that's the drawing. I came across this tray, I think, which would be handy to hold the board. So what I have to do now is figure out the size of the styrofoam board, and it looks like it's going to have to be something like 18 3/4 inches by, I'm looking at 13 1/8. So we will get a piece of styrofoam, cut it, and put it inside this board, and this tray, and then we can just carry this around and make all kinds of sounds. I've got a larger piece of styrofoam right here, and looks like we'll have to cut this to match those dimensions. Maybe you can go around and help me hold the edge of this so I can just, does that look right to you?
Yes, perfect.
Come right down through here. Hopefully 2 slices will do it. No, I guess not.
It came off.
Oh, that came out all right. You can use the other side. And one more cut. I'm going to line these up. Is that? Yeah, try to line these up just a little better. Do a slight cut the first time. And then go a little deeper. Yeah, that stuff's so good it probably cuts the first time correctly. That still doesn't look very straight. What's that, a piece of paper? Oh, that's just a little, maybe I can trim that off. I've had better luck in the past with these.
Oh, that blade seemed kind of strange.
There we go. Well, let's see if it fits. Bring the tray back. Doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah. I guess it fits. Yeah, I guess it does. It just sticks out a little bit. I don't know. I'm not sure about this edge here. I think I'll give that another cut. Right along the bottom there. Right along there. So I'll just, instead of cutting the table, we'll work on that piece of cardboard. Can you go back over there? Slide this up that way a little. Not bad, not bad. So, bring the tray back. Yeah, now we're going. Okay. One of the things I like to do is try to get these out of here. Is mark these a little bit so that. Wow, this is a really snug fit now. I think what I'll do is draw some lines on here that allow us to set our circuit boards up a little bit straight so they don't look like they're all over the place. Can you go over there and hold the other side of that? Just careful you don't want to put your... We'll just come down here and draw some lines. As if this was a giant, I guess you need a little lead, giant piece of graph paper. I think I'm going to add a solderless breadboard to this final piece so that I could consider putting sound making circuits on there in addition to the things we pull out of the yard sale finds. And we might want to even, well, I think it might be also useful to distribute the power. We're going to have a lot of different power requirements. Looks like some of them are two AA batteries, and some were two AAA batteries. That would be 3 volts, and some of them were more, closer to 4.5 volts. Good start. Let's do the other side now. Just hold that for a sec. Which is faster, the short lines or the long lines? The short lines are more, there's more of them, but they're shorter. The long lines are fewer, but they're longer. I guess that's I guess we digress a little there. Would have been easier if they sold styrofoam board with
Grid lines.
yeah.
Probably do somewhere.
What was your favorite sound maker?
I think I like the snooze radio that has the relaxation sounds.
Brookstone?
Yeah, the Brookstone.
I kind of like that one with the 5x5 LED. What did they call that? Radio? I can't remember now. It said goodbye at the end.
Oh yeah, the Fisher Price.
One more. No, I guess not. Well, those are the lines. This is the tray. And this
It's right in there.
is the Spike Jones soundboard without any sounds. Next time.